guys, okay, so today I am doing a wear test of the Ardell magnetic lashes, and I've just done a video where I put all this makeup on, and this is just a little intro to this video where you can see that the lashes are on and we're going to see how long they last. I had a massive issue with this side, because it just didn't want to stick to my face. And this is pretty much the first time I'm wearing them for any length of time, so I'm not sure how this is going to go, but I will check in a couple of hours with you. I'm going out in about half an hour, so we'll see how they do in the outside world. The only awesome thing about these so far is they're not window wiping my glasses, which was the only reason I've never tried lashes before, because they just always looked way too long for my eyeballs, because I got glasses, I need them for seeing. I'm very short-sighted. As you can see from my last video where I could not see my own eye makeup without them. Anyway, let's see how they go. Let's go out. Okay, well, they're still on. I've been out to the shops, been to the doctors, I've done about 2 hours of editing. It's kind of windy, it does feel a bit weird when the wind gets them, these eyelashes. Some bird really wants in on this video. Anyway, I also changed my shirt, nothing happened, but then again I do have glasses on, so I didn't expect too much. But yep, they're still in place, and it's been about 4 hours so far, so we'll see how long they last. They're certainly lasting longer than my lipstick, so there we go. Okay, I'll check in another couple of hours. Yeah, they seem to be doing pretty good. I vacuumed my house, I've been out, filled my car with petrol, I've prepared and put a chicken in the oven for dinner, and so now I'm just gonna have a little lay down. Yes, the eyelashes are still exactly where we put them, what are we, 5 hours ago almost? I don't know what that is. Anyway, it's doing way better than the foundation, as you can see. Now I'm going to have a little lay down and see if we can nap in them without them falling off. This is probably not the best thing to do with a pair of eyelashes on, but you know what, I'm tired. I just had a B12 injection because I don't store B12 and that makes you tired. And I chased the vacuum around the house. So, nap time in lashes, because I'm stupid. Alrighty, it's been about 9 hours since I put these lashes on, and my eyes are starting to feel really crusty, so I really want to take my makeup off, because the thickness of that eyeliner with the magnetic stuff on, it makes it feel really crunchy on your eyes after a while, so I just really want to go and rip everything off and just wipe it off. These have been really cool, and I probably won't wear these particular ones again, but I will get some better quality ones with the thinner liner that I can draw on and not stamp onto my eyes in a really thick blob. But I really like the way they look, and I'm really pleased I found some that fit behind glasses. And I'll just let you know that whilst researching better quality ones, I found a website where they have a whole section for people who wear glasses. If I can find the link, I will link it in the comments. And it was probably where I will end up buying stuff from, because they also take Afterpay, and I am an Afterpay queen. Anyway, this has been a fun wear test. I even napped in these. Yeah, I had a whole hour's nap and vacuumed and went outside in the wind, where it is super windy outside, so they managed to stay stuck, and that's the main thing. My husband did tell me that my eyes are very dark, so I need to fill in my eyebrows. He might be right, but what does he know? He's a man. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.